The IELTS, International English Language Testing System, exam consists of 4 main sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Here's an overview of the IELTS paper pattern for both the academic and general training modules. Academic Module 1. Listening, 30 minutes. 4 sections, each with a different audio recording. A variety of question types, such as multiple choice, gap fill, diagram labeling, and short answer questions. 2. Reading, 60 minutes. 3 long passages with a range of text types, including academic articles, reports, and descriptive texts. A variety of question types, such as multiple choice, identifying information, true/false/not given, matching headings, sentence completion, and summary completion. 3. Writing, 60 minutes. Task 1. Describing a visual representation, graph, chart, table, or diagram, in at least 150 words. Task 2. Writing an essay in response to a question or statement in at least 250 words. This tests your ability to present an argument or discuss a topic. 4. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes. Part 1. Introduction and interview questions about familiar topics, for example, hobbies, work, studies. Part 2. Speaking on a given topic for 1 to 2 minutes after 1 minute of preparation. Part 3. Discussion of abstract ideas related to the topic introduced in Part 2. General Training Module 1. Listening, 30 minutes. Similar format to the academic module, but with more emphasis on everyday social situations. 2. Reading, 60 minutes. 3 sections with various text types that test your ability to understand practical and social English. Question types are similar to those in the academic module. 3. Writing, 60 minutes. Task 1. Writing a letter, formal, semi-formal, or informal, in response to a situation or request. Task 2. Writing an essay in response to a question or statement, similar to the academic module. 4. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes. Similar format to the academic module, but with a different focus on topics and tasks more relevant to everyday life. Scoring. IELTS uses a 9-band scoring system for each section. The scores are then averaged to provide an overall band score. The band scores are categorized as follows. Band 9, Expert User. Band 8, Very Good User. Band 7, Good User. Band 6, Competent User. Band 5, Modest User. Band 4, Limited User. Band 3, Extremely Limited User. Band 2, Intermittent User. Band 1, Non-User. Band 0, Did not attempt the test. Remember that the IELTS pattern may vary slightly depending on the test center, and it's important to familiarize